If you've already used a Follistim AQ cartridge and you need to give yourself another dose, attach a new BD microfine pen needle and look for a droplet at the tip of the needle. If you see one, you're ready to dial your dose. If you don't see a droplet, then dial the dosage knob until you hear one click. With the needle pointing up, push in the injection button and then look for the droplet. Keep on repeating these steps until you see that droplet. Now you're ready to dial your dose. Follistim AQ cartridge doses vary, and your dose may increase or decrease throughout treatment, so talk to your healthcare provider if you have questions. For doses of 50 IU up to 450 IU, turn the dosage knob until the correct dosage aligns with the markers on each side of the dosage window. If you dial past the correct number, don't worry. This is easy to fix. Don't try to turn the dosage knob backwards. Instead, continue to turn the knob in the same direction past the 450 IU mark as far as it will go. Then push in the injection button and dial again starting from 0. One note: if your dose is more than the deliverable dose of this pen, or is more than what's left in the cartridge, you'll need to give yourself more than one injection. Just remember that you should only use a needle once, so use a new needle for every injection. You're ready to inject the medication, so let's do it. Hold the Follistim pen in one hand, and with the other hand, pinch a fold of skin around the injection area. Using a quick, dart-like motion, insert the entire needle straight into the skin at a 90-degree angle. Press the injection button all the way in to make sure you give yourself the full dose. Wait 5 seconds and then remove the needle and press down firmly on the injection area with a gauze pad or cotton square. So what if the injection button doesn't push all the way in and the number in the dosage window doesn't read 0? It means there isn't enough medication left in the cartridge to complete your dose. To resolve this, write down the number you see in the dosage window. Then start over with a new Follistim AQ cartridge, a new needle, and a new injection area. And follow all the instructions up to this step. The number you just wrote down is the amount of medicine you'll dial in order to complete your dose.